2016 Chevrolet Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.